Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
No, con los yankees los más avanzados, a correr que otra vez lo sacamos al estadio.
Oh shit! Oh dude!
You have to yield! You have to yield! You yield! Wow. Got a little sharp there, buddy, huh?
Okay, Garmin. Save it.
In half a mile, turn right onto South 700 West.
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Go straight, go straight, go straight, go straight. There we go.
Grayson!
Moron!
Bye.
Bye. Okay, Garmin. Save video.
What happened?
You know that.
Oh my god.
What would you like to see change?
Non-staggered street light, traffic lights.
Shit. Yeah. You feel like you're getting jammed up.
Oh, in New York, you know, like they sit there, you know, I'm sure that they're like, they went in and just plotting, like, how do we the average.
In oil, like rice mixture, makes the mixture extra crispy. When the fuck did
You're making money's great. I got no interest in talking to people that I know are two-faced, two-fake. Get out of my face.
I can't operate the control room panels with my EVA suit gloves. I wish I could zoom in or something. Show the time. Damn it! It sure looks tight against the
brain? What the fuck?
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.